3 months ago, in a small one-bedroom apartment in Texas, a 19-year-old college dropout named Jake sat on the edge of his bed staring at his phone. His bank balance showed $12.47. Rent was due in 5 days. His part-time job had cut his hours. And for the first time in his life, he felt something deeper than stress. He felt stuck. Not the kind of stuck where you just need a break, but the kind where you don't see a way out. That night, like most nights, he opened YouTube just to distract himself. Video after video popped up, people claiming they were making money online, earning hundreds, even thousands of dollars, using AI tools like ChatGPT. He didn't believe it. It sounded fake. It sounded like every other get-rich-quick thing he had ignored before. But then something inside him said, "You've got nothing to lose." So instead of scrolling past, he clicked. He watched carefully. He didn't understand everything, but he understood enough to try. That same night, he opened his laptop, signed up, and decided to give himself 7 days. Just 7 days to test if any of this was real. And before we go any further, I want you to do something important. Forget about everything on your screen. Ignore the captions. Ignore the visuals. Ignore anything distracting you right now. Just focus on my voice. Listen carefully to what I'm about to tell you. Treat this video like it's meant only for you. Like it's a message that could shift something inside your mind. Because this is not just another video. This is a perspective that can change how you see money, work, and your future. Jake didn't become rich overnight. Let's make that clear. But what he did do was follow a simple system consistently. On day 1, he didn't earn anything. Day 2, nothing. Day 3, still nothing. Most people would have quit right there. But he kept going. On day 5, something small happened. He got his first reply from a potential client. It wasn't even a paid job yet, just a conversation. But that moment changed everything, because it proved one thing: this actually works. By the end of the first week, he made his first $25 online. Not a lot, but enough to prove it was real. By the end of 30 days, that number grew to $1,870. And no, he didn't have special skills. He didn't have experience. He just used a system powered by AI and stayed consistent when most people would have quit. Now here's the truth that most people won't tell you. Making money online is not about luck. And it's definitely not about magic tools. Tools like ChatGPT don't print money. They give you leverage. They give you speed. They allow a beginner to do things that used to take professionals years to learn. But the real money comes from solving problems. In 2026, businesses are not asking, "Do you have a degree?" They're asking, "Can you help me grow?" And growth requires content writing, ideas, marketing, communication. These are problems, and ChatGPT helps you solve them faster. Let's break this down in the simplest way possible. There are people out there who need work done. They need blog posts written, emails created, YouTube scripts prepared, products described, ads written. They don't have the time or the skill to do it themselves. So they pay someone else. That someone else can be you. And the way you deliver that work faster and better is by using ChatGPT intelligently. The first and most beginner-friendly method is freelance, writing using AI assistants. Now don't let the word writing scare you. You're not sitting there trying to be a genius author. You're guiding ChatGPT to produce content, and then you refine it. For example, a client might need a blog post about saving money or investing basics. You simply give ChatGPT a detailed prompt, get a structured draft, improve it, and deliver it. Clients in the US market are paying anywhere from $20 to $200 for a single piece of content. And here's where it gets interesting: finance related topics have higher value because they bring in higher advertising revenue. That means clients are willing to pay more for quality content. The second method is something that is exploding right now: faceless YouTube channels. You don't need a camera. You don't need to show your face. You don't even need to speak if you don't want to. Channels are being built using scripts generated by ChatGPT, voiceovers, and simple visuals or captions. Topics like personal finance, side hustles, and online income are performing extremely well in the US audience. Why? because they attract high-paying advertisers. This means higher PM, which means more money per 1,000 views. Some creators are making thousands of dollars per month without ever showing their face and the backbone of their content. AI-generated scripts. The third method is creating digital products. This is where things shift from active income to passive income. Instead of getting paid once for your time, you create something once and sell it repeatedly. For example, you can create an ebook, a guide, or a set of templates. ChatGPT can help you outline the content, write it, and even improve it. You could create something like Beginner's Guide to Making Money with AI or simple budget plan for your first $1,000. Once created, you upload it to platforms where people can buy it instantly. The US audience loves convenience, and digital products provide exactly that. Another powerful method is offering simple services like resume writing, email writing, or social media content creation. Think about how many people struggle to write a professional resume or a convincing email. These are real problems, and businesses or individuals are willing to pay for solutions. With ChatGPT, you can generate high-quality drafts, customize them, and deliver polished results. Charging even $50 per client consistently can add up quickly. Now let's talk about something that can turn small efforts into big results. Affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products or services and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. ChatGPT helps you create content around those products, reviews, blog posts, scripts, and more. For example, you can talk about tools, apps, or services that help people make money or manage finances. When someone trusts your content and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage. This can become a long-term income stream if done correctly. But here's the part most people ignore. Success doesn't come from just knowing these methods. It comes from execution. Most people watch videos, feel motivated, and then do nothing. Or they try for 2 days and quit because they didn't see results. That's the difference between people who make money and people who don't. Consistency beats talent. Action beats knowledge. Let me give you a simple plan. Follow starting today. First, choose one method. Not 2, not 3, just one. Focus is everything in the beginning. Second, learn how to use ChatGPT effectively. Spend time experimenting with prompts. Understand how to guide the AI instead of expecting perfect results instantly. Third, create a sample. This could be a blog post, a script, or a small digital product. Fourth, start offering it to people. Don't wait for perfection. Start messy, improve later. And fifth, stay consistent. Give yourself at least 30 days of focused effort. Now think about this. What if you used the next 30 days differently? What if instead of scrolling, watching, and waiting, you actually built something? What if one small decision today could lead to your first $100 online, then $500, then $1,000? That's exactly how it starts. Not with a huge breakthrough, but with a small step. Jake didn't have a perfect plan. He didn't have confidence in the beginning, but he had one thing: he took action. And that action created momentum. Momentum created results. And results created belief. That belief is what changed his life. Right now, there are thousands of people using AI tools like ChatGPT to create income streams. The opportunity is real, but it's not unlimited. The longer you wait, the more crowded it becomes. The people who start today will always be ahead of those who start tomorrow. So, if you're listening to this right now, take it seriously. This is not just information. This is an opportunity. Start simple. Stay consistent. Focus on solving problems. And use ChatGPT as your tool, not your excuse. Because at the end of the day, the difference between someone who makes money online and someone who doesn't is not intelligence, not luck, not background, it's action. And your first step can start today.